Today, I want to show you how to make some money giving away website templates that are on the Builderall platform. Now, this isn't going to make you insanely rich, but it can help you generate a few $100s a month that can go into your pocket for whatever you may desire. So, if you don't already know what Builderall is, it's a digital marketing platform that offers various tools such as the website builder and email marketing to help business owners establish and grow their business online. As a matter of fact, they have over 25 marketing tools that can be taken advantage of, making it a great all-in-one source at an incredibly affordable value. Not only that, they probably have one of the best affiliate marketing programs I have had the pleasure of joining. Now, inside the Builderall platform, they have these website templates for photographers, fitness studios, dentists, groomers, all of these different local niche businesses that people can take advantage of. You will have the options of express sites, which are just simple lead generating funnels, or actual websites of 4 pages. The great thing about it is that the design structure is complete for you. At this point, it would just be copying and pasting content and updating a few images to match that of your prospect's brand. And for the express sites, the content is already written for you, so you'll have to do even less. Literally, the websites are about 80 to 90% done. So what I want to do is show you how you can generate monthly income by giving away these templates to local business owners. You will need a Builderall account in order to do this. So if you don't have one already, I have added our Builderall link in the description below. It's absolutely free to join. Also, sign up for their affiliate program so you can generate passive income with this method. So follow along with me. I'm going to hop on my computer and walk you through the Builderall platform itself and the process I do to generate some income. Okay, ladies and gents, here I am on Builderall's dashboard, and what we will focus on is the Cheetah drag and drop website builder. Like I mentioned, my goal is to show you the different templates you can work with and give away to local business owners to be able to make some money from that. And if you stick around through the video, I'm also going to show you the strategy on how you can find prospects and what you can say to attract these business owners as leads. So to find the Cheetah drag and drop website builder, you will have to click on apps in the menu here, and on the left-hand column, you'll find it. Once you click to open the builder, I want us to go to the unpublished section and click on create new site. For the purpose of this video, I will just label this as test. What I mainly want to show you are the niche website templates that you can begin promoting and working on. Click on select a template and a pop-up window will appear. Here are all the templates Builderall has ready for you to use. As you will see, not only are they in English, but you have Spanish and Portuguese as well, which you can help expand your reach if you're comfortable in promoting to those networks. So as you scroll to this window, you will see the different businesses you could potentially work with. You have dentists, realtors, martial arts, financial analysts, photographer, and so forth. So let's go ahead and open one up, like this financial analyst site, and take a quick tour of it. As I mentioned before, the design structure is already there for you. You can see you have your menu structure up here. You place for a logo, a banner with a call to action, a section to showcase benefits, testimonials, and more. You have a newsletter subscription section and contact form already set up for you. It's clean, strong, and aesthetically pleasing, and what you mainly have to do is just edit the content and plug their logo and brand colors. Like I said, the website is like 80% done for you. So if you have a Builderall account, you'll have access to these templates and you'll have the right to give them away for others to use. So now your question might be, how do I give these templates away and how exactly am I making money from it? Well, that's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. Let's stick with this financial analyst template that can be used for any financial coach or CPA as well. You may be thinking, how do I find these CPAs who might actually want a website or need a website or need marketing services for their business? This is where you must tap into the power of the internet. You may not even realize the number of sources you can type into in order to acquire leads for yourself. Like Facebook, for example. All you have to do is literally type in the name of the business, like CPAs or financial coaches, look under groups, and you'll want to find groups where a lot of these individuals hang out and interact. The more interaction, the better. You can also join groups in your local area to connect with business owners as well. For example, I live in Central Florida, so I could look up something like Central Florida business owners. and see if there's any CPAs within that group or other business owners whose templates I have access to who may be interested in a free website. So I'm going to provide you a post that you can copy and use to promote yourself and start getting leads. You're more than welcome to. My mentor provided me this information and he gives permission for others to use it too. So this says, business owners, I'm looking for 5 people to build a mobile optimized website for them for free. You might be wondering what the catch is. And to answer that simply, I just need some testimonials to start building my client portfolio. If you would like to a fully built website for 100% free, then just comment website down below and I will send you a message with all the details. Serious clients only, please. If you're skeptical, I can show you some of my past work. Thanks. So basically, what we're doing here is looking for people who we could build a website for them for free. And then once they want to connect their own domain to Builderall, and once they want their own website published and everything, what you can actually do is you can then send them your affiliate link and they can sign up for a plan under you and you'll get that commission for every month they remain on Builderall. And if they want their website to stay live and active, they will do so for as long as they can. This is essentially a no-brainer. There are a number of businesses out there who are in need of a website, specifically mobile-friendly sites. And if they can get it designed for free with little upfront cost to launch, they will take advantage of it. So now it's up to you to go and do your research. I would even recommend sticking to a niche so you can connect with business owners and perfect your pitch even more. Trust me, guys, you can make a good amount of cash with this. Take time out of your day or week to dedicate to this and watch your passive income grow. Once you get that first sale, you'll get hooked and will want more. Once again, make sure you sign up for the Builderall affiliate program. The link is in the description below. Also, if you're looking for more videos like this where I explain different ways to grow with not only Builderall but affiliate marketing as well, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can know when I release another video. Thanks for sticking it out. Catch you next time.